so I have a business, other people have businesses, and we go through a business life cycle of planning for the business, getting into the business, starting the business, the startup, right? Then where do we go from there? How does it develop all the way through selling it and moving on, right? So there's all these phases that a business goes through. So what's the relationship between that and lawyers, and how do we segue to that?
Yeah, sure. Well, just to finish the story quickly,
Sure.
well, after we used that for our own business, we won an award here in Queensland for that. And then I realized that the law was very similar in other countries, and so we expanded to the UK and the US because we realized that we could do that. The way that lawyers can use it, though, Steve, and the way that lawyers do use it is we've developed on the back of the book, we developed a test, an assessment where business owners can go through and they answer 30 questions about their business. Takes about 10 minutes and identifies their legal blind spots, really. So what are the things that they're missing in their business? And so what lawyers use that for is actually they do that test with their clients because people are busy and people don't, they say that they're going to do it and they look at it and they go, yeah, I'm going to do that. And then they never actually take action because they get so busy in all the stuff that they need to do. And so the way that lawyers can use that is it actually helps them to identify the work that they need to do for their clients.
Yeah.
And can find the blind spots that the client hasn't seen. And so that way we can help the lawyers to help their clients to fill those gaps. And I don't want to build a big international law firm. I don't have the bandwidth to do that with everything else that I'm doing in my life. So we partner with lawyers to do that with their clients.